Hello everyone, welcome to Rasdeeps. Today we're going to try out a special chicken curry, Tari Wala Chicken curry. To 800 grams of chicken, add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After combining, marinate it for 20 minutes. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil and add a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 cloves. Now add 4 finely chopped onion. Add a teaspoon of salt and saute it. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Saute it for a minute on low flame. Three finely chopped tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes are well cooked. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of red chili powder. After roasting the masala for 2 minutes on low flame, pour little water. Boil the masala on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add a marinated chicken to the masala and combine it. Add a teaspoon of garam masala. Pour little water and combine it again. Pressure cook it on medium flame and turn off the stove when it's nearly a whistle. Add some chopped coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. Do try it and let me know your comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.